$41,000 to repair the damage on this Rivian R1T, or at least that's what the owner was quoted, to replace the bedside by his local Rivian certified body shop. From my understanding, the insurance company actually wanted to total the truck out due to the cost of the repair. Now, before you ask, the problem here is that these trucks aren't designed like a standard pickup. So in order to replace the bedside, which also happens to be part of the cab, which also happens to be part of the roof, requires a ton of disassembly and work to replace. So the owner of the truck actually ended up doing a little bit of research, and he found Matt Boyette, the owner of All Out PDR in Jacksonville, Florida. After talking to Matt, sending him some photos, having some discussions, sending him some videos, Matt decided to take the job, and the truck was shipped 6 hours to his shop. The video that you're actually looking at now was uploaded to Matt's YouTube channel in order to document the repair, and the results are mind-blowing. Matt and his team were able to repair all the damage using paintless dent removal in 3 days, maintaining all the factory parts, the factory paint, and of course, avoiding a hit on the Carfax. Getting this done at a body shop probably would have taken weeks, maybe months with the way things are these days. All I know is I've seen some impressive PDR repairs, but this one right here, this one might take the cake.